Hey everybody, it's Chris with Chris Holm and Associates here at Remax Vernon. We're here at number 6, 2525 Jarvis Street in beautiful Armstrong, BC. The Aspens. This is a gorgeous little 8-home subdivision, bare land strata. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, granite countertops, custom wood cabinetry, loads of windows, lots of natural light coming in. Large garage, floor drainage, excellent backyard, stamped concrete patio. You're going to be very impressed when you see this home.